This is Frema Opare Adia latest and hot news and I'm the Premo guarantee so we can subscribe ya. Obadia say over subscribe to the channel. Yobayan say over click the subscribe button. Now what belly notification no. We understand new video be upload when the first person I was abeka ASR video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up. Nothing. Sheba of Frosuna when you be here now and summer air also air Ghana Memoharam. Afi Yangura and summer Abetoya Ponoso. Iti yes, I report in Sansevia Cosi. Iti Summer Cosi.
No, I have a breaking news for you.
Okay, then let's do the breaking news.
Breaking news, no. One. Free Abankesiem and Ubia or Wabankesiem Biano. O make sure say. Or the FDA beto anu ebie mu huha.
Okay.
Mame chief of staff Frema Opare. Otie yen. So ntie ya monfa nikasa
omutie mpa.
Carlos von Brazil.
Okay.
Ono so omie na FDA nim kuha.
We breaking.
And
cancel.
Me no kase abrantie bi wo NIB. BNI friend BNI.
Okay.
Abrantie no your friend Konkonsa. Konkonsa no ye adwuma and obebia or papa bi a friend no Nanapon.
Okay.
And Nanapon ye former fleet manager Emma Jubilee House.
Okay.
Nanapon ne sa akokra bi na misi akokra bi ye bra pani bi a na wadwa ni tiri hu nyina sakora no a share Akufo Addo space ni bia ono so ka so be pay man pani adi no kai na ne signboard sisi ai Nanapon ono na ehwe ka so
ba bakora no front man na no she suit
no she ase no she
mekai we
tare ni bi Nanapon no na ono no mo kumase na garages na smidofo na da bi omo ntokwa no na ema enema me dinim no na me hu say kire me say hu so NPP ni mapa.
Okay.
Nti ema me ne na yonkofa ye kese pa da sabra na me NPP ni a me di NPP mu akotene no na me pena asempa. Nti oba aban mu no Akufo Addo ba aban mu no na o man tumi a na o na hwe cars e wo eye Jubilee House so nyina. Na konkonsan o ye fiaswas nega ni nua pa.
Okay.
Fiaswas nega me nua fiaswas. Yes, ni nua. Awa bankesiem nti won se nan sen afie didi dwoma amatema mane nyonwa dabi ni nua de bia ba fie a wo nyina nya bi di nti hu so didi na tema mane nyonwa sebi ani bo ekotrem na ni nua wa ye nyambrasem bebre wa ban we mu ohun aban cars na mbetena ha wo kai se mre bi mbeka ha se wo de aban cars rent aban V8
yeah.
In fact as of enra Oma chene de nako NIB BNI sa ne ka na amanfo bete odakukum boni awaye edoso but mebubo bi so
before obekoso no
now
sorry information when you free
obacho me mom sources.
Okay.
Me sources no from a fie ho aba me me mom
authentic.
Yes, very authentic.
Okay.
Now you see Abrantie konkonsa no ton pen drives ne oye into that IT pen drives ne sane man no ton ma Nanapon.
Okay.
Ene ma ne de enuoma course okoton ama Nanapon e wo fie ho. Na sa bre no okoton nuoma na Nanapon hu ni say oh akoy wo bredodo ene ma memfa no because ne ho enika.
Okay.
Ma memfa ne meme na ono so emenya adwuma ne binye ena okoi na okwo wo Nanapon ase na Nanapon yeyi na die.
Okay.
Nanapon mintimi insanity ono so oye nuoma ne bebri ya na enye fine but sebio
bia on nenso
yes obia on nenso but konfoboni ha watan ya fo mama konfopa beto ne yenyi nimu ena yeyi nimu no ne okọ ne fie ena akwa we bae me say aban V8 ayato
Ghana for
dia maako 20 na no mo retrieve free ne fie 21 kra 20 V8 nkwa uko kumasi a
maako
yard e wo kumasi a wo de cars ne rental Abankas. Why yet sad Juma way for more than 5 years. Yeah, friend concern obi animal we concern dey obi animal. Se me do ko rewura ni fie se concern fie ni a obi a ton pen drive we am be show.
Yen tell me business concern.com. Enyo no.
Debi we concern Jubilee house obi
animal.com no.
Obi animal asema make here we omo akwa na be fro sa aka. Omo di bi ba be kan ho kra.
20
me see V8 income 20 dey say so.
Another renting.
Eno ye de omatimi anya. Obi a ono timi de aban ka akocha ne girlfriend. Na ne girlfriend no ono anya so agya no. Okoche girl no so oni boy for na ma no watwitio pay no papa ka ne ties nyina. Aban ka.
You are watching Juicy
Yes.
on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Yes. That same konkonsa. Amisa Atta.
Aye.
The late Amisa Atta. Nyankopon fa ne kra papa ni si da bibia wo.
Amen. Na Sir John so fa ne si ana.
Nyankopon entria ne ka ne nasefo nyina.
To aso.
No but onyi ne mama ne mfrim.
Omo ye kama.
No Benz be. Benz no.
Okay.
Amisa Atta. Benz I will use as vice president. And a concern ko fai. Na who the way or ye kana rebel ho. What talk no Abanka o me kaka sa wa oxen wonu a oxen a wato wonu ankasa to a wo yembe hyew
o hye no wato fa.
Yes.
Na ba ko no de han so this kind ma ban.
Enti o this kind ma hwan. Chief of staff akwala ekwan a ofa so benya entrenched position e wo Jubilee house on chief of staff Frema Opare. Enti me em wa say makote konkonsa no mo jai chief of staff ani Carlos Bombrazi
Chief of staff why then?
na why na say ni kutupa why na nakwala no
Na chief of staff na
why na jane wo fie ho
chief na de cast no of the bar. Chief of staff
more na mo afone no
chief of staff or in the office
yo
bi krampa abrans nyambranse mo akrachi di chief of staff okra e na nani madeja oni mo hwe it wo the tag out tag say
any on na masa no oka na kebeden watimi with that impunity akose sa ban cars omuti committee for auction
okay
e wo Jubilee house say e bia cars ni bi o wa areda dani we anyway na onka committee ni ho chief of staff na de ne ko committee ni ho ene ma ni timi ton sa cars no enti die enti no de ne ko ho if she is not benefiting die enti no de ne ko committee ni ho.
Good question.
So and Oma wi aka sini bebre
Accra FM.
Oma wi aka sini bebre and all the cash ni bebre so ya rental
E ho na emi.
it is a NIB for ni mu a musa no wo na wo da NIB na no kra no because asam no nipa odi asam ne beda mo no eye Captain Koda me too mra tell you
Jubilee house.
Captain Koda na odi asam ne beda mo no mon mani muamo na mo ni animu na mo nko baabia ni kuma ase rental ne wo no because aban ko kuma ase na o rent cars
But
aban cars na no sade rent aban
yes. Eti ever say Nana Akufo Addo ko baby.
ai
Akufo Addo kwa the high ayi.
No.
Bia na entourage di na chi.
yes
Eko baby.
because you still
And
need some cars yes and so
Eti ye dru kuma se ye nko han cars a.
yes
Eye government cars na.
onu awi akosi kuma ase
Everyone on the hand, yeah,
Everyone on
Ghana for me,
Ghana
say taxes to Akana, Aguni Botum.
eguni botom
What's your friend saying?
your friend konkonsa I
Oh, Jubilee house.
if you so as
You are
nega
Yes,
watching
yes,
Juicy
nigga,
News
bruh.
on
Nigga.
YouTube. Hot news all time.
if you so as nega nua no
Hey, Ghana ni. Afa, yeah, Ghana may be work campaign na. And you
uni mafi na wehu
yeah, work campaign. Yeah, Jumanateka.
just that the worker doesn't know he is paying
Oh,
because Yarobu Peter Paul has not been paid. Peter need Yarobu no fine, but Paul has not been paid. So who is the worker? Who to the CA? Also, I know Paul send sika komao mamia. Yetu levy. Meanwhile, busa hu say adwuma ben ena wo aban dia ma wa e wo se wo dia ma aban e wo se wo kutua neka. Etino sad. And so media me yes me breaking wa ha woni say me ma another exclusive one about concern again
it will be we are not your chair ho aba
18 excavators
okay
Oh, Sagalom stop 4 pickups no.
Me pa joy.
What say be ni town bi?
Me ni twa bi so ache.
NI before Mumusa no. What on ni nyina?
What evidence in the day?
Aye, me dey ya me. What kind of evidence now?
But some to mean Kasa, you can't just allege like that.
But I cannot tell you my
No,
sources.
you know there's defamation of character
Defamation.
I will not sit here.
Defamation of the state, next year.
Also, what tongue?
What
tongue say? How did you know?
What
are the supporting documents to prove your stance?
Suspect is what to be.
Me suspect one.
Me suspect is what to be. The question now. I don't know. Musa say aban cars no. Anyway, met me my list. Oh, met me my list. Auction list. My list, but one after the other. Look, I'm not saying this to denigrate Abayo, but I'm telling you how unscrupulous some human beings are. The tell me the mami Frema Opare na NAPO ya adwuma no so bo be na mo de bo no. Why never won na NAPO ase? And then no why worse. Say no cement bag kura no ntimi nto. And then he has mansions. 5. Who ne dan a wo se be fem. Otimi ka se opedan ya Bawumia esi dan bi wa eyi ekira otimi ka se opesa dan ni bi Hackman akosi dan bi wo edan makomako 8
makomako 8
yes wo see estate Hackman so agima ogu koko bodue ye no
NPP council of elders
something I on e pani the whole part on enyi chen obi asiketed dem we no di na de ekira ya oh state house
okay
otimi ka se we ma anye bi kura na enyamia.
Wow.
Obi ana auto pen drive. You pen drive be ana tiefo who pen drive no. Me en fan chiro.
Pen drive here at the tia bi e de nwum.
I would you be brand en fan chiro.
My pen drive there.
Say double dia buy na mo ka. Double. Mo say double. Pen drive double mo say double ton phones. Double ono Sammy oku akola na wudini no. Wudini no okobu bonkofo tuo wo. Aya waso weso ogon no. Double. Ono no ton phone eso. Pen drive.
Now we should turn pen drive.
We into here we any me no dey na so.
So phone is to same pen drive.
Ti ade na double di aba na maka. Na we bi ton ade we. And then onu etimi akoton excavator mako 18. Excavator na mo chi galan stop no. Wa ton excavators mako 18. Me tu mra me kiresie o. Uni ade a ye ba be ye no yebe categorize it.
You be serialize no.
Near serialize ya mo bi ehu.
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube.
Good.
Hot news all time.
Auto pen drive keke we IT. Efia Schwarzenegger me ami nuaba. Me nka se efia ye bone. Me nuaba no. Wa be kwako di efia tema metu de we me ba be tra redu so atwa bo no. Efia de me nua no. Ba ni onu me ni mi enu nua na ye bone.
Ti well
na me ka. Me nua no na akonfo ameka. Eyo okofa ebusu Agyapade aka yentimate na radio so nka but where your man Agyapade menu mienu dia o ana obi afa enti na me bo hu dawro sama fanti ti BNI for is here say omudin ne no NIB whether NIB or BNI for no mumusa no ekwan ya ofa so a otimi nya sika esisi adan because after NIB no me de ne call special prosecutor ho na adan ahodo na ene dia no wa be kire kwan kro fa so a wonya sika ono utimi de kosisi sa adan na ene so me ye na no ya ono oba ono anya ne sika ana se ono anya ne ho a ono akofa ne boyfriend oni oba nam na oba ne so wagyawo ana wo so wagyawo oba no okọ ne baabi se aban ka na ade ma na office anya odi a ko ka kire oba na so onfa wo ka amre wo ana so onfa aban ka ne mra na wa fe ko ya watwitwituo pe ade aye adwuma Jubilee house no abobo ka num etai mutuo eti sa ne o mani nyina ka ho bi ntina bisro hwe the last but not the least ena me se menka won sa castle won say o fuel station wo fuel tanker no fuel ekogu station nim tank nim na obi akwa ukra o chit ne ebu ama ne sa ne ma no otimi ema the whole tanker no fuel no their coffee filling station bi no akoton this is how powerful he is no wakoton pe car tie won wetimi import car tie anaso otimi kofa e bia supplier to say bia menu ye supplier na makofa menu ye say menu a unim for ties be 600 pieces bra me ba be declare car ties na egu omanpani convoy na se nyina se ni nyina sei ebe ma accident abenti no me declare we are car ties ni nyina ebe kwa koton
te say go feda me a opese oni jakpa ye
yes ebe kwa koton
sick leave bra
ebe kwa koton ties no ama second hand for na wo brand new ties no se ba ko ye 1 cedi o fabra 2 cedis ebe to 1 cedi na da so no memo 20 pesos o fa 80 pesos breme no one na ye car ties can say cross ya say metime de wako baby say CA e wo state house achi ho cars V8 amono esisi ho
chakpo
wose cars na say unim omtimi say that two car ne part sa say
is it within his authority to declare section
no na ye in charge ani pa o ye police e wo so ye adwuma no Frema Opare so ma na nya adwuma no konkonsa na ye in charge konkonsa
Jubilee House.
Jubilee House. As my maker, eti baby I make say bio, enti ke tebia himfia asem na maker. E kwa so ma no. Jubilee House.
Tebia himfia be de o.
Me no say me kaka tebia so ma menka.
Yen kana no masem mo de kania.
Munisi ahimfia je se mo ba ba.
Jai.
Bebo kro no. Mudi wom.
Yefrim. Kawasem.
Mo ji 400,000.
Kawasem. Ye di enya fashion.
400,000.
Fashion.
Mo afashion na Ghana afashion.
Na no mo aye fashion ibi bro.
Ko jijia di babia. Gapo
fashion de kwakra ne say ba.
Eti ne kwakra ne say. Sasika na. Ene petrol na. Oje ye no. Ewo ye friend say castle no. Or transfer any ties ni nyina no. BNI for ana NIB for mumusebusa no. Sika de we wia bi pa.
We will follow this story.
Doso no. Mu wia e ma mama ni si hwa because me no ade a me pese mete se BNI for ana NIB for ye. Ene say ya jeje ade no ma yen a ye koje ade no so yen ya fa. Declare it and let the state own it after declaration. Otuma say obi wo ha an kokon se wa wia ne amadodo ye be gene yeso afa wo gene wo fa aban foforo ba ye ba be tatao
ye be ji
o ma ye japade ye wia konkon se wia ma ya chi na mo chi no he no ma ankoje ankoche
okay
sanu ntina mo no me o text me ama hwa me bodin BNI ho no me na fofo bebre ho enye mo amasem na meka konkon sa na ma chi no me so mo toto na no yie na mo maga na fo hu no kre senka yobi awa by that anim na nka mo chi na nka by na nka mo boni di ada na mo fa send me to public and also another question
such a figure
ada na obi a oye adwo wa bankesiem e in charge of state cars
are you saying
Captain Koda ono so enyina bo eja be yato
director of protocol right and ono ye dey
me dey
ono in charge of protocol
Captain Koda no ono ni post na odi no mani mbre no nim dan na e wa kire ha no e na mani bre
or that be
police headquarters side ho no
come on
o dan de dan efe on na mani bre ti wo ori of onsa no Captain Koda hwa odi e o
person kire say
so when na konkonsa na wo so kire odi e beba don't think say when na konkonsa pe o
anyways
ofa but wo so odi e beba
ya o kan nyina ade ba ko pe ana e ba yitrim na me de ayanyum to ma fi obi
o be le wada the body force wia yesika at home no kuro no say galamsey asem no and yentimi nya ne partisan a very serious in fact yeah fast track extension from this world yeah say yeah my wu ayententem me free amansia central ambonya kobro ene sa paprama forest no e mi krom ne wo ye nyini no na ye kwa ye hu
You are watching news on YouTube. Hot news all time.
No makofa bibia bre. Short yase. Na ena no am ko me hwe asase na me hwe heritage mining. Any professor from Boakye cast a time one heritage mining for no imperial mining rather. Imperial heritage. Esenwa onya ko free gabia so o chida ko no minya gabia me de me se be bura ne hu aswe.
No, because Gabi na ye legal.
We a legal lawyer. We do some more court. sa imperial heritage na ye CNJ omo na ko say dia so forest e wo de njiraboase
yeah so
obu free ho na omo de ba mi krum
ene ma akwawe ma madam so
o tiase ene ko jakobu
ko numre so
o ko amponya dia ya ne so omo eti kwayem no omo ko ton nuane e wo boase ko ne ya bia kokon ko say mi krum ni mbo minim
I'm correct free.
Oh yes.
Oh sir.
No, any color. I'm not saying.
Primary. And I just know.
Asante me wo pay nya.
I'm not saying. My former colleague, I want free.
If you be quiet about them.
Free be quiet. I'm also free be quiet.
I'm not saying you lie. Na no kura wo ni say. Akosia watch akosia. Every man am say.
You say olego. My former colleague. Oframansie. Stella. Ajay.
The woman is a Professor Frema Opare. Ghana problem ni nyina no kuchegu krata so. Edema chief of staff edema omampani. But this year Phoebe
chief of staff or chief
between isi ne fro ne de tina dey asho.
Yeah, then if you a chief of staff.
Hwa Alesta Mateus. Sa documentary ne on Al Jazeera no.
Yeah.
And no say Ghana gina so ne ye pam omampani free. No, because a tray face on the campaign of galamsey.
No, it's good for you now.
Dabi at least I don't catch it. We as say one no man penny Akufo Addo and the connection, gold connection. Now every month be our ship $40 million to $60 million every
quarter. That's also good for. At least on is the same person.
Akufo Addo all money company wa. And the galamsey ya no Akufo.
But all money companies mark. 32 Agyapade book.
Agyapade according to Agyapade ni nyina illegal man omo di na to so illegal omo na census.
And in fact let me say this. According to Prempeh,
yes.
Nana Akufo Addo friend say
yes.
On person kebi galamsey.
Yes.
Na san crofone e wo ho no na Prempeh mo mudin.
Yes.
And Akufo Addo san ka che ne say o pese or regularize community mining.
Yes.
Now it's interesting to know say according to Prempeh no or Akufo Addo na Akufo Addo e che no say nkrofo we na me person will regularize o monko hwe a omo na tu
galamsey for say
the same
that's why Agyapade na bia ye play book yi ma oyi and Agyapade mu na omo de refinery abey Agyapade refinery azango a look Professor Frema Opare say na Akufo Addo tia say John tia ono tia Oshe President Akufo Addo anim ni Sir John ne catch say the most dangerous person to our forest is Sir John. E dey no to be found. Was it need tego? Lord call me. E say do be ko protozoa mechia obofo Kweku Asante independent candidate a wo su hu be wini hands down. What to galamsey. Was it be potent forest? Ye kwachi nkofo e use excavator ye galamsey na chasa usu wo ye o sense as bi o so e sofu. Say kroma me catch up say nkofo bu on mo a o si e chase o free sorry dem no. Was it Kojo kroma organize journalist say yen say no e de adentia or prevent galamsey. Yenya a parliamentary candidate a Memphis Easter ably supported by your friend say regional minister Kojo Kyeremanteng they be anu was in any wo say galamsey eskutu passe abaye jai say all deploy military into the bush and to who so jadi bia so dan forest so be pa won mo a mo na mo nyam galamsey mon census no eni to hwan kobra ni a adani milo Osha Ofina Adani Milo, Osha Pra Adani Milo. Now you see your commander in chief, your excellency. Excuse my friend language. You are excellent over that. Over what? So what science you know? Oh, your excellency. You want to say? And maybe you know, and now chrono, and now who comes now? What is he talking about? No, when you know, and I'm cutting Kotia. Young man, you are Adwo my friend say.
I'm not done.
You crasini, papa. So yeah, and to kwanda wo na nipa nya bre no a ye ko no wo de ne say NPP time yi ensuo na ni ahono no e far better than NDC time. Are we okay? No one that say to pass LI 2462 a mama penyu kwan say what the forest ebe man go for you mining. No wonder. Because you have such characters in parliament, all they can is say chop business be aba ya mo cat. no much me important nsuaba e no kwa ye important nsuaba ba me ma me aboajo
like seriously, I must start important.
Yes, ensure important nsuaba. A lot of insure nkofo ye nkofo
insure Ghana ye no.
Oh yes. That is where we have gotten to.
Oh, but
no, I a serious matter. I make a ye important nsuaba kro.
You say Ghana crensu.
But do you think we are sitting
Ghana nsuo twen we share crensu?
Do you think we are joking here?
God of Israel.
That is what I don't know, sir.
Mamo.
We mu nyina no na galamsey.
Someone ntini echedi.
Ebe de na galamsey aye a secret enterprise. Hwa usi kro bia so a wo de oduru a opa men go investigation bia busa taxi drivers say hwa me na galamsey wa omebo omu nyina di acho.
Omu kra information rough.
Because aya de bia ya ye galamsey ama ende konongo ye no kwa ho asamata fu kwa ho.
Bosome frɛ
ho kwa de ye pamu DC ya danso o ka sa so.
You want no ba ye no so.
Wanu so ye bi
assembly member.
Constituency chairman ye bi assemblyman ye bi.
Badru nti ma memo we ntiro.
Ba
River Enya aseno amaseno obosome frɛ ho. River Enum ekɔ River Adumasu amaseno River Amponsem amaseno River
danso
ewo se twotwo ko ana River Dan we ensu a yetimi ye so far amaseno obosome frɛ ho.
Na akɔ amansia se toka de odan nyina amaseno.
Na pono wa epokure so far.
Na we yetimu a na yesi o mpanimfo na nyina mu no mpanimfo se kasa memu binim obi aye din okrom ha o. What is wrong?
Ade mpanimfo ha no mukasa. To onti so bi kasa de ne bi ni ho.
Hey! Waka se mo.
Sa mpanimfo ofia na kasa. Na obi an kasa de panini ho.
Mpani ofia no.
Fa ni adri.
Twam kura o ba bi adru no.
Hey!
Yo, waiting for waiting and someone abeto yapono so because this is so and our head no so we can subscribe we are say we subscribe to the channel say hadie latest and hot news and kwara with the Prempeh. I feel you are now like video and give us a thumbs up now fe share my offer for so now we will be here now and somewhere also we Ghana member also bet me at share what we have fire and some way now I will comment boxing mobete interview in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.